In this video, you'll learn how to split a page in Notion to create a more organized layout. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to effectively use columns to enhance your page design. Start by navigating to Notion in your web browser and log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate and open the page you wish to modify. Before proceeding, consider how many sections you want to create, as splitting a page involves using columns. This initial step sets the stage for your new layout. Next, to create columns, click and hold on a block of content that you want to move. Drag this block to the side of another block. You will notice a visual indicator showing where the block will be placed. Once the desired position is highlighted, release the mouse button to create two columns. You can then adjust the widths of these columns by hovering over the divider between them and dragging it left or right. This action allows you to customize the space each column occupies. After creating the columns, you can add content to each section as needed. Click inside each column to insert text, images, or other Notion blocks. You can also rearrange the content within each column to ensure everything is balanced and visually appealing. This flexibility allows you to tailor the layout to your specific needs. Once you have added all your desired content, take a moment to review the overall layout for clarity and organization. If necessary, you can add headings or adjust the content further to enhance readability. Notion automatically saves your changes, so you do not need to worry about losing your work. This final step allows you to ensure that the split page meets your expectations. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.